Hi guys, I'm just going to take you through quickly what the calorie calculator is, how you work out your calories and what the whole process is with this. So I'm going to show you exactly how you calculate your calories for your body type, for your age, everything in between. Now, we want to work out how many calories you burn at rest. So if I sat here all day long, I will still burn a high amount of calories, believe it or not. People think you only burn calories when you're moving or running or sprinting or jumping around in the gym. It's just not true. Okay, so first what we're going to do is work out how many calories we're burning at rest, just sitting here doing nothing. And then we're going to work out how many calories we will burn if we were to add in exercise. And then between them two numbers, we can figure out where our deficit shall start. Okay, so I'm 28. I'm 177 centimeters. I'm about 78 kilogram at the minute. Basal metabolic rate, that is how many calories you burn at rest. Let's have a look. So I burn 1700 calories every single day doing nothing. Okay, so if I sat here all day, I would still burn 1700 calories because your body actually uses energy when you're thinking, breathing, moving, everything. Okay, so if I ate 1700 calories every day and sat here every day, my weight would stay the same because the energy balance is the same. I'm eating 1700 calories, I'm burning 1700 calories, which means I'm not going to lose weight. I'm going to maintain my weight. Okay. Now let's add in, I train 4 or 5 times a week. I do a bit of cardio and I do a bit of steps. So I'm pretty active, to be fair. So if I add in that, it's going to throw it up to about 2500. So if I went to the gym 4 or 5 times a week and I sat here and worked for 9 hours a day, I would burn 2,566 calories as an estimate. Now, if I wanted to lose weight and train, all I need to do is drop my calories down to 2,300 calories. And as you can see here, that would be mild weight loss. Expect to lose that much. Now, just to add on this one, so that would be mild weight loss. That would be a slight deficit. That means I would lose a little bit of weight each week, nice and steady. Now, when it comes to calculating your calories, the more extreme it is, the harder it's going to be. So can you imagine being on 1,500 calories a day whilst training, whilst working? You're going to feel awful. Your energy is going to be low. You're not really going to build muscle because you're not eating enough to fuel that muscle build. You're going to be moody, lethargic. Your libido is going to be low. You're going to feel like shit, basically. So you kind of want to float around these two in the middle if you want to lose fat. Now, if you want to build muscle at the same time and you completely change your physique, so you want to look, more muscular and more lean, you want to keep this as high as possible. And if you're adding cardio, if you're adding a bit of steps, it will increase your deficit because you're going to be burning more calories. So for example, if I wanted to lose a little bit of fat over a long period of time, I would start at 2,500 calories every single day to maintain my weight. But I would add in steps and cardio to burn more calories in that day, which would then put me in a deficit. So if I'm eating 2,500 calories, that is with me training in the gym. That is me sitting here doing my work, 2,500 calories, it's maintaining my weight. But if I burn 200-300 calories doing cardio every day, if I burn an extra 200 calories doing steps every single day, I'm then going to be losing body fat or losing weight because I will be burning more overall. I hope that makes sense. If you're someone that wants to lose weight quickly, then the process is going to be a little bit different. You'd start on a bit of a higher deficit, maybe 2,200 calories, get the steps in, get the cardio in, start training. You've created a bigger deficit. The bigger the deficit, the quicker you'll lose fat. But the problem with losing fat really quickly is it's super easy to put it back on. It's a lot harder to stick to. And if it's a lot harder to stick to, you're not going to be consistent. And if you're not going to be consistent, you're not going to lose body fat over a period of time. Okay, so all these factors do play a part. And I also think it's important, that's why you have a coach, because that person is going to fine tune the plan and make sure that you're doing the right things at the right time, but also that you're feeling good about doing it and you're enjoying it. But I hope this makes sense. Use this calorie calculator to your advantage. Put in your details. Don't forget how many calories you burn at rest. Don't forget how many calories you burn whilst doing exercise. I would start off calories fairly higher, and then I would drop it down. So if I was trying to lose weight and I started on 2,500 calories a day and my weight was staying the same for a week or two, I would either add in cardio, add in some more steps, or I would drop my food. But I always usually drop food last because we all like to enjoy more food. I hope this helps. I hope it's not too confusing, because it can be. There's a lot of factors that play a part. There's a lot of variables that can change or play a part in your goal or your journey. But I think that's also why it's important to have someone give a second opinion and make sure that you are on the right track. But overall, I hope this video helps.